Today I'm going to answer one of your most pressing twin parenting questions. My name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com. Scully asks, how do you manage potty training? My girls always want to have a potty party. Should you have multiple potties in the same room, or should you manage them separately? Okay, so Scully, when we potty trained our twins, when the first day came to train our girls to potty train, when we trained them to use the potty, we did individual training. So my wife took one of the girls and kind of went through drills all day long to train her how to use the potty, when to recognize it was time to go to the potty, to celebrate her successes. I took the other twin and our two older boys, and we left the house so we weren't a distraction. The next day, we flipped that. My wife trained the other daughter. I took the freshly potty trained girl and her brothers out of the house so that the one girl was at home could focus on potty training. Now what we had was one training potty that we practiced with, and we started potty training in the kitchen on the linoleum floor because it was easy to clean up when there was messes, and there's plenty of room to work and maneuver in there. And eventually we moved that training potty into the bathroom, and the big potty itself had one of those child seats so they didn't fall in the potty. And so we had two potties, the built-in potty that was in the bathroom, the toilet, and then the training potty on the floor. And so they could use whichever one they were most comfortable with. And if they both wanted to be there at the same time, there was two potties that they can use, and that was fine. But you didn't see they often did not fight over, which of those potties it was. They were just happy to be in there. And oftentimes it was just one girl at a time that wanted to do it. So if they want to have a potty party every time they go to the potty, you should be fine with just a training potty and the built-in toilet that's in the bathroom. And make sure that you're continually praising them when they are having success, when they are keeping their pants dry, and you're going to have some success there in your potty training efforts. So good luck to you, Scully, and your family in potty training those girls. If you have a question about preparing for raising your twins, go ahead and leave a comment below with your question, and I will answer it on a future video. If you have additional questions about preparing for and raising twins, I invite you to check out my books, Dad's Guide to Twins and Dad's Guide to Raising Twins. You can learn more about those books at dadsguidetotwins.com/books. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out some of these other videos for additional tips and tricks on raising your twins. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.